Okay. There's a massive marketing opportunity, a way for you to reach thousands of decision makers, and it's a marketing channel that most MSPs are too scared to use. What is it? It's this, what we're watching here right now. It's YouTube, because YouTube is enormous, just enormous, and everyone uses YouTube. In fact, YouTube has 2.3 billion active users. YouTube is the world's second most used search engine after, of course, Google, which of course owns YouTube. And the problem is that most MSPs are utterly terrified of it. Why? Because to do YouTube properly means doing this. It means filming videos. The reality is, actually filming videos isn't that difficult at all. Now let me put that in a bit of context. I'm sat here in a little professional studio environment. We've got a lovely camera guy, Jack. Say hi, Jack.
Hi.
We've got this camera, we've got that camera, we've got lights, we've got all of this kind of stuff. But you don't need all of this. If you want to get started on a YouTube channel for your MSP, just use your phone. Go outside, go for a walk, talk to your phone. Because in your phone is a great camera, you can get a plug-in microphone if you want, but the lighting is all sorted out outside, you don't have to worry about that, and you can focus on the thing that's more important, which is the content. It's the content which is the most critical thing on YouTube. What kind of content should you be outputting? I would just talk to your clients. Don't be distracted into thinking you should be talking about cybersecurity and productivity and Microsoft and all of that kind of stuff. No one's really interested in that. They're interested in normal things. How do I do this? How do we get past this? How do I sleep better at night? Listen to the things your ordinary clients are saying to you, and that's the content for your YouTube channel. My final piece of advice on this is if you really want to take YouTube seriously, make sure you get into a rhythm of creating regular content. What if you were to put out 1 or 2 videos every single week for a year? In fact, what if you were to film those a number of weeks in advance? So at any point, you've always got 3 or 4 weeks worth of videos in the bank ready to go. Your first ones are going to be a bit rubbish, but once you're a few months into it, and certainly by the end of that year, you might even find that you love those videos and the quality of them is going to be so much higher. Go on, get started, have a go at it.
If you're serious about growing your MSP, have a look at mspmarketingedge.com.